aka Bunny, aka Bun Bun, aka Buns. What's up? Hey boo, I know y'all see it. Listen, I had to take her out in the streets today. She is giving body audi. She is giving whatever she's giving, I am taking and receiving bars. But thank you guys so much for clicking on this video. Before I get started, you already know what to do. Go ahead and click that subscribe button and that notification bell button so that you can go ahead and get alerts whenever I post a new video. And with this freaking update, I just need you to go ahead and click that like button. Yes. I'm gonna go ahead and let y'all watch the video because I wanted you guys to see what the hair looked like during the day, like in a broad daylight. I think it's about to be 4 o'clock in the afternoon, but baby, do you see me? We are not weaving. Woo, child. Woo, I don't know what else to say. I just love this. 18 months, y'all. I didn't think I would do it. Well, you know what? 18 months go by so fast. Wow, that's crazy. I know, it's been so long, but I'm back. Okay, a lot has happened, and I'm just excited. I hope you guys like the new background. It's gonna be changing periodically here and there, but because I'm trying to get myself together. It's kind of hard out here for a pimp. I'm trying to get the money for the rent. Let's go ahead and take these out and get started on these updates. My wash routine has completely changed. Yeah, I could say I did a whole 360. I could say that. So I wash my hair once a month with shampoo and conditioner, and then I do wash my hair again, but I only wash it with hot water to I guess wash away the excess oil on my hair. So basically I just wet my hair. That's something that I've been doing, and I think that also stimulates hair growth too. My hair already grows fast, but I think that's also helping it even grow faster. Oh, I don't braid and band anymore. Yeah. Wow, I never thought I would say that, but I don't braid and band anymore. I basically wash my hair doing the smoothing method. I will update you guys on that. If you really want to see a updated wash routine, go ahead and click that like button and it'll let me know that you are really interested in this new wash routine. With this new color, I don't have a problem with my ends. My ends are not breaking or dry or brittle because before I even put color on my ends, I was moisturizing my ends frequently. With moisturizing my hair, I am now using a leave-in conditioner. Before, I wasn't using leave-in conditioner. All the information will be in a different video. Yes, I know. I can't give you all the tea in one video, boo. I know you hate it. I still groom my locks. I do groom my locks within before my reties, meaning like I go in to see if I have any holes or any slippage. Even though I'm over a year, you never know what you see there. I also pick out some lint if there's any lint, and then my locks grow outside of itself, so I will go in and basically take the hairs that grow outside the lock and wrap it around that singular lock. That's how I keep my locks separated before I do my reties. With my reties, I do them every 3 weeks, and I think like whenever I see my edges grow out a little bit more than the rest, because it's usually the fuzziest, I would do a retie, and that's like about 2 weeks after I do a full head of retie. So I would do my perimeter twice in a month, and then my retie once in a month, if that makes sense. I know it makes sense, y'all. Yes, the mathing is math. One thing that I can say that has been helping me is I randomly do the inversion method. If you're not familiar with the inversion method, it's where you basically sit upside down on your bed or anywhere you are, or you could do it on a chair, put your head upside down and massage it. I would massage it with an oil of mine, and sometimes I wouldn't even put oil. I would just use the sebum that's from my scalp, and that's help. What I do, I basically listen to a full song, and then once the song is done, I'm done with it. I think I do that like randomly, like sporadically, once a month, sometimes every other month. Like, I'm not really, how can I say, consistent with it, but I know that's something that I have added, and I've been doing it for a while now. I'm surprised I haven't even said it on any of these videos. For styling my hair, I can say that Sis ain't been doing them styles. Listen, I know I did say that I was trying to see if I can make some styles for y'all and do some styles. Yes, I'm gonna try to do it, but listen, I don't know if it could be promised. Now, all my clients, I'm gonna give y'all styles for days. But for myself, the way my head is set up, and I'm tender-headed, and I will keep the style in for a while. I don't know. I'll see. What, y'all, I don't know about the styling. It's a no for me for now. You never know. I got some stuff up my sleeves, but you know, I don't know. We'll see. But for styling, I barely did anything. And for those that don't know, I hate wet hair. Yes, I blow dry my hair. One thing I can say that this color has shown me is that some of my locks weren't really locks, and they were just strands of hair sticking out my hair. And I'm looking like, how the French toast did this happen in the time of this journey? Because listen, I be in my head every month while I do the grooming. But it's basically exposed some of the fake locks, okay? So sis has been combining a few, and the few that I've combined are close to my perimeter. Can't really tell a difference. Can't really see a difference, to be honest. But I think I combined about like, the last time I counted, it was at 632. As for my hair, clearly you can see that the color has disappeared. The colors on my ends have gone away. They went goodbye, sayonara, see you later, hasta luego. I'm looking like, y'all couldn't even give me at least 6 months before y'all disappeared on me? No, I'm stuck with this. Actually, I don't know what this is. Ashy. It's ashy. It looks pretty, but it's also still ashy. I don't know when I'm going to deposit color in my hair. I'm not gonna say if it's going to be soon. I don't know if it's going to be later. The one thing I know is that the grays are back, okay? They are in formation. They are in a marching band. They are saying hello. Hello. They are stomping the yard, okay? They are basically telling the people in the back that they are here in existence. Listen, yes, I know some people have grays out there and they love their grays. But at the same time, baby, I've been graying since I was 16, y'all. And y'all, these grays be disrespectful in the front. Y'all see? Somebody come and look at this. Look at this. This is what my hair looks like at 18 months. I can say nothing because I'm lost for words. Yeah, I can say yeah. Basically, if you don't know, I don't have baby hairs. I have adult hairs, and baby, I literally did a retie and my hair is growing already. It's a never win-win for me, but I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys a 360. Y'all, I cannot. Somebody come and look at this. Thanks so much much for staying to the end of this video. I appreciate you so much. Don't forget to subscribe and go ahead and click that bell notification that's right next to it, and shoot this video a thumbs up. Listen, I know I've been gone, but I came back strong, didn't I? And don't forget to go ahead and click the description box down below. I do have a giveaway happening, and I'll see you guys on the flip side. Bye!